Are you looking for an incredibly quick, easy yet healthy breakfast? Then welcome to the Healthy Foodies channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this super quick. This recipe took less than 5 minutes. So you want to crack in 2 eggs and season that with some fresh bell peppers, some salt and seasoning powder to taste. Beat that and then go in with some spring onions, just to give it a little bit color pop and some extra deliciousness. Then grease your pan and pour in the eggs. Allow that to set almost until it is completely set, and then you go in with this bread. If you want to see how I made this bread, you can check the description box or I'll attach it to this video somewhere. And then you would press that in to combine, flip it on the other side and add your fillings. You guys, it is as simple as that. So there's no other thing, there's nothing else to do. Okay, and this food is like a balanced meal. There's carbohydrates, there is protein, there are vegetables, for vitamins and minerals, and of course there is oil. All you have to do is drink water and you are ready. Your breakfast is well loaded with lots and lots of nutrients from this single dish. And the best part is it is very, very satisfying. Would you be trying it out? Let me know in the comment section below. Subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed already, because it is recipes like this, simple yet healthy recipes, are the only things that we are known for here, okay? Plus healthy nutrition tips and tricks. If that's something that interests you, subscribe now for more and more of incredibly easy recipes like this one. Don't forget to nourish, flourish and glow. And until next time, stay healthy and stay jiggy. Okay, enjoy.